Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add Google reviews on WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. First I need to go onto the plugin and click on add new. So let me click on add new. And here you need to search for the Google reviews. And you need to select this plugin and install now. And then you need to click on activate. So now you can see that this plugin is added, and here you need to add the place ID. So how you can find that? So you simply need to go and open your business onto the Google. So let's suppose this is my business, and here you can see option of write a review. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor, click on inspect and click on Control F, and here you need to mention data, add space PID. So once you add it, you simply need to click here until you find data space PID. So here you can see that I find this. Then you need to click here and copy this, go back here and place here, select the language. So I want English, click on connect Google, wait for a few seconds, it will be connected. And now you can see the reviews. So this is the code. If you want you can. So let me save and update, and let me show you on the website. Let me update this first one, and once it is updated you need to go onto the website, and the reviews will be visible onto the website because it is not updated yet, so it will not visible to you. But here you can see that you can see Google reviews like this. So this is the process how you can add Google reviews on WordPress website. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.